Very good morning to all. Very good morning to all. Hope all of you are fine and doing well on your studies, isn't it? Yes, very good, very good. Joshua, Milo, and Sushanta is active. Very good. See, we are starting our discussion. Few days back, we started a new chapter called Accounting for Non-Profit Organization. Accounting for Non-Profit Organization. Do you remember that? Accounting for Non-Profit Organization. Yes. You people are very active in chat box. Good. So, accounting for non-profit organization. In the chapter, we already learned what is non-profit organization and what are the examples for non-profit organization. And yesterday, we discussed what are all the financial statement of a non-profit organization. Let us have a recap of last classes, and after that, we will go to a new topic today. Okay. Are you ready? If you are ready, please type R in chat box. If you are ready, please type R in chat box. Okay. Let me have a recap of last few days classes. So Joshua, you unmute your mic and tell me what is non-profit organization? What is non-profit organization?
Sir, a non-profit organization is an organization that is centered to the welfare of society. Their main objective is to provide non-profit profit.
Very good. Very good, Joshua. Exactly the correct answer. Non-profit organization means an organization which is formed for the welfare of society. That means not for profit making. Exactly a right answer. Next one is Milo. Milo, can you tell me any 2 or 3 examples for non-profit organization? Any 2 or 3 examples. Milo? Milo, are you there? I think some problem with Milo. No problem. Sushant, can you tell me any examples of non-profit organization? Any 2 or 3 examples?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Sushant, tell me.
Yes, sir. There are some of the NGOs,
Yes.
institutions, after that social organizations.
Very good. Social organizations, educational organizations are also there, like schools, colleges, like that. And Joshua, tell me, what are the financial statement of a non-profit organization? Financial statement of a non-profit organization.
They have receipts and savings accounts.
Very good. Then number 1, receipt and payment account. Second one,
Income and expenditure account.
yes.
And the third one is balance sheet.
Very good. Exactly right answer. Receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. All these things we already discussed. Okay. So let me add a new page. Today we are going to discuss the first financial statement, that is receipts and payments account. Receipts and payments account. Very simple topic. You listen carefully. I will explain you what is receipt and payment account and how it is prepared. Everything I will explain. Already this topic is familiar to you because in your 11th you already learned one topic, that is ditto same to this receipt and payment account. I will explain it. That time you will get which one that topic you learned in that 11th. Okay. In the name itself, it is clear that receipt and payment account means what will be the receipt and payment? Any idea? Its name itself indicate, no? Can you say? Anyone? What will be the receipt and payment account? Every receipt and payment we will record. Very good. Joshua said very good. In this receipt and payment account, we will record all the receipts and payments. All the receipts and payments. Okay. See, I will explain you. Very simple topic is this. See, first point. It is similar to cash book. It is similar to cash book. The receipt and payment account is similar to cash book. Cash book you already learned in your 11th, isn't it? It is already familiar to you, right? Yeah. So it is similar to cash book. So those who already know how to prepare a cash book, then this preparation of receipt and payment account is not a big deal for them. Okay. So it is similar to cash book. It has two sides. It has two sides. Receipt and payment account has two sides. That is receipts side and payment side. Receipt side and payment side. Receipt side and payment side. Okay. Now I will show you one document here, so we can have a notes of that. Please wait just a minute. I will upload here. 1 minute. Just hold. Yes. See, can you see my screen? Can you see? Is it visible? Yeah. See, it's written receipt and payment account. It's written receipt and payment account. Joshua, you please read it. The receipt and payment account part, you just read it.
Receipt and payment account.
Yes.
This account is a summary of cash flow that is prepared at the end of the period by including all the receipts and payments of the organization. It has two sides called receipt side and payment side.
Okay, hold it. Sushant, can you read next part? From all the cash receipt, from that you can read.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All the cash receipts and payments, whether of a capital or revenue nature, includes this amount. Usually, receipt and payment account starts with opening balance sheet, and ends with closing balance sheet.
Okay. Very good. Right. So, see, this is receipt and payment account. Look into the screen. You can see what is receipt and payment account. It is clearly mentioned in the notes. This account is a summary of cash book. It prepared at the end of the period. That means the receipt and payment account, what we are recording, all the receipts and payments of a non-profit organization. One side we will record all the receipts, and on the another side we will record all the payments. And at the end we will get balance. Simple process. Already you learned. Already I explained to you. It's already non-topic to you. Okay. So receipt and payment account is a summary of cash book. It's prepared at the end of the period by including all the receipt and payments of a non-profit organization. Then we already said it has two sides. Receipt side and payment side. All cash receipt and payments, whether capital or revenue. Capital means long term. That and all we already discussed in the few days back. Capital nature, revenue nature. Everything we will include in this receipt and payment account. So you do one thing. You please take a screenshot, and after this class you can copy these notes into your book. So once you have taken the screenshot, please type SC in chat box. SC. If you have taken the screenshot, please type SC in the chat box. Okay. Very good. Safan, Joshua, Milo, Sushant. Very good. So let me add one more page here. See, look into here. I will show you the format of receipt and payment account. Is it visible to you, children? Is it visible? Yes. Very good. See, this is the format of receipt and payment account. Simple one. First column is for receipt, then amount, then again a big column, it is for payment, then again amount. Okay, see, the title of receipt and payment account should be like this. Closely follow. Receipts and payments accounts for the year entered, then we will add date, day, month and year. Okay, children, are you following or not? Are you here? Yes, 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 very good, very good. So we will give column headings: receipt, then amount, then it is payment, payments, then again amount. Okay, so this is the format of a receipt and payment account. This is the format of a receipt and payment account. Then next process is simple. If you are getting a question to prepare receipt and payment account, how you will prepare? Simple. Read the question item by item and you can understand whether the item is a receipt, you will put on the receipt side. Whether item is a payment, then you can enter it on the payment side. And after that, as usual, we will balance the ledger. Okay, all these things already familiar to you, isn't it? Children? Yes, yes. Very good, very good. So, I will give you one question. I will give you one question and after that, I will show you how it is preparing a receipt and payment. As it is the first question, I will help you. Okay, from next question onwards, you have to do in your own. Okay, are you ready? If you are ready, please type R in chat box. Yes, Joshua, Milo. Very good, very good. Yes, yes, yes. What about others? Ah, Sushanta came. Okay, very good, very good. So, let me add a question in next page. See, I will write the question here. You need not write the question because once the class is going to end, I will give you the time. That time you can take a screenshot. Okay. So this is the question. Prepare a receipt and payment account from the followings. From the followings. Number 1, subscription rupees 20,000. Then donation rupees 10,000. All these items are familiar to you. Subscription, donation, all these things we discussed. What is subscription? Can you say, Joshua, what is subscription? What is subscription? Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good. Exactly right answer. Subscription is an amount paid by the members of the organization for retaining their membership. Okay, very good. I'm just checking how many of you are listening or not. Okay. See, next item, honorarium. Honorarium is rupees 3,000. Okay, please look into the question and plan your answer. How the receipt and payment account we can prepare. Okay, once I am asking, you should respond. You should respond without any delay. Okay, legacy, then tournament expenses also here in the question. Tournament expenses 12,000. Refreshment charges, that is 3,000. Then last one, income from sale of tickets, 6,000. You know, I am not wasting the time. As it is the first question from this part, I am typing the question. Next question onwards, I will not waste the time for typing all these questions. I will just bring a document and I will upload here. You have to screenshot. Okay, are you getting my point? As it is the first one, I am typing here to get a more idea on question center. So read the question. There are a lot of items are given in the question. Subscription 20,000, donation 10,000, purchase of furniture 5,000, grant from central government 7,500, honorarium 3,000, office expense 2,000, legacy, like that items are there. So can I proceed to preparation of receipt and payment account? Can I proceed? Okay. So you can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot of this question. Once the class is ending, you can copy this question to your book. Okay. Yes. So hope you finished taking the screenshot, isn't it? Very good. Okay. Then tell me, first item is subscription 20,000. Subscription 20,000. It will goes to which side? Everyone please comment in the chat box. It will goes to which side? Very good. Receipt side. Milo answered. Very good. It will goes to receipt side. Subscription. It is 20,000. Then what is the next one? Donation rupees 10,000. Tell me, it will goes to which side? Sushanta is typing R. R means receipt, isn't it, Sushant? R means receipt. Yes, very good. Donation 10,000. So second item on receipt side, donation 10,000. Next one, purchase of furniture 5,000. Tell me, purchase of furniture. We are purchasing the furniture. Then what will happen? Receipt or payment? Exactly. Very good. Payment. So we will write furniture. What is the value? 7,500. Then next, purchase of furniture is 5,000. Okay, 5,000. So let me clear that. Okay, I cleared. So furniture, it is 5,000. Then what is the next item? What is the next one? Grant from central government 7,500. We are getting a grant from central government. Exactly, it will be receipt. So we can write grant, that is 7,500. You people are responding very well. I am very glad to see your response in chat box. Very good. See, honorarium 3,000. Honorarium means what? It's a receipt or payment. Very good. We are paying some amounts to the employees of the non-profit organization instead of salary. Honorarium, that is 3,000. So it will be on payment side. Next item, office expenses 2,000. It's clearly said that expenses, office expenses. Yeah, sure. It will be on payment side. Office expenses, that is 2,000. Then legacy 12,500. Legacy, we know that legacy is an amount received from the will of a deceased person. Exactly, it is a receipt. Legacy 12,000. Isn't it 12,000 or 12,500? 12,500. 12,000. Very good, Joshua. 12,000. Milo. Very good. 12,500. What about next one? Tournament expenses 12,000. Tournament, it will be on which side? Everyone should respond. Okay, everyone should respond. Very good. Joshua said payment, Milo said payment, Safwan also saying payment. Sushant, what is your opinion? P means payment. Very good. Tournament expense. Tournament expense how much? Tournament expense is 12,000. Tournament expense is 12,000. Then what about the next one? Refreshment charges 3,000. Refreshment charges 3,000. It will be on which side? Payment side. Very good. Refreshment charges 3,000. Very good. Then the last one, what is income from sale of tickets? We know that it's a non-profit organization, so they may conduct one tournament or some exhibition or expo something, and for that entry they made ticket. So they made income from sale of ticket. Income from sale of ticket. Income from sale of ticket. How much? How much is the value? 6,000. Okay. So this is the 6,000. Is there anything else? Is there anything else? All the items in the questions we already entered on receipt side or payment side. All the items is coming now. All the items is coming now. Yes. What is the next step? Tell me. You people already prepared cash book in 11th standard. No. Tell me. I am checking how many of you are remembering. We have to find balance. Very good. We have to find balance. So that is the next process. So in order to find the balance, we need to underline the both side. We need to underline the both side. Okay. Now tell me which side is more in total. Which side is more? Receipt side or payment side? Which side is more? Tell me which side is more? Sushant says that 56,000. Okay, very good. On which side? Receipt side. Receipt side. Very good. So we will write 56,000 here. And what is the next step? 56,000 we written on the receipt side. Joshua, can you explain how we are balancing? Please unmute your mic and speak.
Sir, 56,000 is on the receipt side.
Okay.
6,000 is the highest amount when we look at both the sides. So we should write 56,000 on the payment side as well.
Very good. Then next step.
Then we use this 56,000 and we subtract it with every other payment left.
Very good. What is the total of payment side? 5 plus 3, 8,000. 8 plus 2, 10,000. 10 plus 12, 22,000. 22 plus 3. That payment side total comes to 25,000. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what will be the total on payment side? How we will find? We will deduct the 25,000 from the total. That is 56. Right?
Yes, sir.
Hold it. Milo, you tell me. How much will be the balance? How much will be the balance? You please calculate it. I am looking for your answer in chat box. Once you find, you can post in chat box. We all are waiting for your reply. What is the balance? Very good. 31,000. Exactly. Right answer. What we will write against this? Balance C bar D. Balance C bar D. C bar D means balance carried out. Balance carried out. Okay? Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Everyone please comment in chat box. It is clear or not? Okay. Very good. See, this is the case of preparing a receipt and payment account. Okay. Next question onwards, you have to do your own. As it is the first one, I am illustrating on the board. Okay. Next question onwards, you have to do your own. And if you have any doubt, definitely I will help you. Okay. If you have any doubt, definitely I will be with you for your help at any time. Are you okay with this preparation of receipt and payment account? Are you okay with this preparation? Very good. Good. Then I will check how many of you understood today's topics. I am going to check how many of you are attentive in this class. I am giving you one poll option. Are you ready? If you are ready, please type R in chat box. I am going to start a poll option. I am going to start a poll option. Very good, very good. Okay, so let me clear this, otherwise you will look into the board and you will answer. Okay, I just cleared and I am giving you one poll. Okay, I am giving you one poll. See, question I am typing, please wait. Donation will comes on which side of receipts and payments account? That is the question. Options are receipt side, next one payment side, next one neither. It will never comes on receipt or payment. That is the question. You please give your answer. Donation will comes on which side? That is my question. Donation will comes on which side? Joshua replied. Sushanta replied. Very good. Milo also replied. Exactly. Good. All are replied that receipt. Very good. Right answer. Congratulations. See, no doubt in that. Donation means we are getting the amount from the public as a gift. As a gift, we are getting the amount. So it will definitely a receipt. It will go to the receipt side of the receipt and payment account. Very good. Right. So let me give one more question. So that I can ensure this today's topic is clear to you. Please wait. I am giving you one more option. One more poll option. See. 1 minute. Just a minute. Okay. Yes. Receipt and payment account is similar to option number 1 purchase book, option number 2 cash book, option number 3 profit and loss account, option number 4 none of the above. See, very simple question. Receipt and payment account is similar to purchase book, cash book, profit and loss account, none of the above. What is your answer? Very good. Joshua replied. What about others? Sushanta replied. Milo replied. Very good. All are marked as cash book. Very good. So, receipt and payment account is similar to cash book. So far, you answered purchase book. No problem. You ended on class as late. That's why you didn't get this topic. That's why. No problem. Once this class is ending, you can watch a recorded video in this platform. Okay. Then you will get more idea on the topic. Okay. So I am very glad. See, you people are responding very well. You got this topic, I think. See, receipt and payment account, that was the topic we discussed today. I hope it is clear to you, isn't it? I hope this topic is clear to you. Children, please respond. Joshua said all clear. Very good. Safan, yes. Milo said yes, clear. And what about Sushant? Yes. Very good. So we are winding up of this session. So what we discussed today, I will give you the summary of today's discussion. Today we discussed what is receipts and payment account. What is receipts and payment account? What was the first point? It is similar to cash book, like cash book only. It is like cash book only. Then second one, what is second one? It has two side, that is receipts and payment side. Receipts and payment side. Then third point. What is third point? It is prepared. It is prepared at the end of the period. We are not preparing the receipt and payment account throughout the year. We will prepare receipt and payment account at the end of the period. These are the three main topics we need to keep in our mind regarding receipt and payment account. What are the topics? It is like a cash book. And second one, it has two sides, receipt and payment side. And it is prepared at the end of the period. At the end of the period. Okay? See, I am giving you the whiteboard option also. I am giving you the whiteboard option also. So, Joshua, can you say, Joshua, can you please write it on the board? Write it on the board. Any receipt item of receipt and payment account, any receipt item. Very good, very good. Joshua is typing. Yes, exactly. Donation. Donation is a receipt item. Donation is a receipt item. Very good, very good. Milo, are you ready? Please type it in chat box if you are ready. Milo, yes, yes. Milo, you please type on the screen that honorarium will comes on which side? Honorarium will comes on which side? You can use whiteboard option. I am giving you the access. Honorarium will comes on which side? Very good. He started. Exactly. Exactly. Very good. Enough. Payment. Right. So we are not prolonging this session. Receipt and payment account we learned. So remember two things. First, you take a screenshot of this answer because we already work on it. Take a screenshot of this answer. And we already taken one screenshot of question as well as the notes I have given you. That notes I will share you to the WhatsApp also. You can copy that into your notebook and then question, then copy this answer also. Okay. Next question onwards you have to work on in your own self. Okay. So thank you everyone for your active participation and active listening here. Okay. Hope for a good days ahead. Thank you all. We are winding up. Bye. See you. Take care.